Good evening, guys. Good evening. My name is Pranay Kamble. I am a third year electrical student from Pvt College from Pune. Today I'm gonna present the internship based seminar like presentation topic. My presentation topic you can see on the screen is IoT based home automation solution. Under the guidance of Emertxe's team and teacher which have guided us. So under that guidance of the team, I made this presentation. Today I'm gonna present this my project basically through this presentation. As you can see, home automation solution. So through this presentation, I am gonna explain the home automation project basically from the start what we can learn. Thank you. So table of containing introduction, requirement, block diagram, result and conclusion. In the C programming, in the first week of my internship, I learned about the C and data types over there. The basic introduction to C and data types. So there are various data types as we can see. There's int, char, float, double is in that. So that basic data type I learned. Conditional constructor and operators I learned about. What happened is the conditional construction operators. Constructor operators in that I learned about this single iteration and multiple iteration. For single iteration we use if and else. For multiple iteration we use while, do while loop, vary loop. Operators and error where we define a particular function, particular logical operations on by using operands. We are using operators and arrays. Pointers and functions are there to define pointers, and functions are the functions which we are calling in our particular programs whenever we run the program. So functions we are calling. So while we are calling, so that function will call automatically. So pointers and functions are there. Strings and storage classes. What is storage classes? I learned about string and various strings and storage classes I learned about in this stage. Okay, so in the C++ programming. So again, after the C data type, I learned about the C++ programming, where OOP concept I learned about, object-oriented programming I learned, how the stack and various things are done there. Introduction to IoT. IoT means there we learn about Internet of Things. Embedded systems are there, definitions, types of embedded system, control system, the various types of embedded system components like microcontroller and all of that I learned in this internship program. There were basic things. Project introduction. So yeah. So what is the project introduction? So in this project, what we are going to do, and a home automation system will monitor or control home attributes such as lighting, entertainment system, and applications. So these are the basic needs of our where we need various things and applications. So it may also include home security such as access control alarm system when connected. Yeah. Again, the simulation tools used for the project and implementation, where we learn about Arduino IDE, where we run our Arduino programming, where we do the Arduino programming. So yeah, Pixum Lab used for simulations and running the hex files. Blink Cloud and IoT mobile applications used to control temperature systems, real tank, and the project. So these are the tools where we are going to run our project. Arduino IDE, Pixum Lab, and Blink Cloud and IoT mobile applications used to control temperature systems, serial link, and the project. So yeah, the three things which are very important. Next, in this project, we will automate three things in the smart home. Okay, so mainly the three things are we gonna do: garden light control, temperature control system, water tank control. These three things we are going to implement in our project. So be careful to attend this. Garden light, what we're gonna do here, So lights control basically by using Arduino, we sending us LDR sensors, we are controlling the garden light. So that's the basic thing. Temperature control system. And the temperature control system consists of the heating resistor, LM35 temperature sensor and cooler, which resembles the temperature control system at home. Read the temperature from the temperature sensor LM35 and display it on the CLC. That's the basic program that we're gonna do. Okay, so yeah, after the control the temperature of the system by turning on and off heater and cooler we are going to control. This is the block diagram you can see. After that, water tank inlet and outlet valve control. Read the volume of the water and the tank through the serial communications and display into the CLCD. That's the basic block diagram you can see over here. So you can see that reading the volume of the water tank through serial. So what that the Blink IoT app is over there. Arduino is between CLCD and water tank is over there. So yeah. Blink application. Blink was designed for the Internet of Things. It can be controlled hardware. So this is very useful software for us basically. So yeah, hardware remotely can display the sensor data. It can store data, visualize it, do many cool things. So three things are most important: button widget, gauge widget, and terminal. Yeah. So these are the result of our whatever we added. The result is yes, and after that the conclusion. So using Blink IoT app application Pixel Lab Simulator, we are doing the best things over there. So yeah, Pixel Lab Simulator, simulated home automation, serial tank resembles light, heater, cooler, and water tank in real time. CLCD acts like a dashboard used for displaying the event widgets and Blink IoT app like button widgets are used to control heater, cooler, and whatever things. Gauge widget to display the temperature and volume of the water. So this we gonna conclude our presentation. Now let us understand about the Pixel Lab. Okay, so Pixel Lab we are going to load our file first. Okay, so here we load our file. You can see here, if you can see, uh, there are various things I uploaded here: temperature system, Ethernet shield, CLCD, LDR, and LED. Okay, after uploading the load X file that we are where we write the code, here you can see the temperature and voltage. Okay, so after uploading, it's showing the values. So let us understand step by step. First, you can see here the LDR sensor, okay, and the LEDs where these are the LDR sensor. So yeah, by controlling this switch, okay, you can see this switch I am raising and falling and downing. The LED was blinking automatically. Why? Because the LDR is connected to the LED. It's control basically the brightness of the LED when you raise it value. It's basically sensor value which we can read from the sunlight. Now this is the temperature control system where you can see the temperature and voltage are displaying as on the CLCD. Temperature control system is controlled to LM35 device. We are connecting to the Blink IoT app. Here I'm gonna connect my phone to the device first. Okay, I'm casting my phone in a minute. Yeah. uh, so I connected, there is a tab 1 where the temperature and heater cooler buttons are there, and I create a virtual pin on the Blink app of my temperature control system. Yeah, so this is the value, this is the basically gauge where we displaying the value. Okay, let's see it. If you are seeing the 27.37 is clearly whatever here is the value is clearly mentioned on the CLCD. So cooler is on now. When we when our heater is on, so that's temperature about 35 degrees Celsius, turning off the heater. See, that's the condition we are writing in the code. So that displaying on the CLCD, you can see. Okay, now the cooler is on, heater is on. See, so now cooler is on, that displaying is on. The cooler is off over there. Cooler is off over there. Yeah. So yeah, so you can see in there. So now this is the LDR sensor. We are in the tab 2. We have inlet valve and outlet valve. You can see this is inlet valve, outlet valve, and this is volume water, where the gauge of the volume is displaying, of course. Yeah. After that, this is the serial tank. Okay, so this is the virtual pins we have created. Actually, we are going to connect control the serial tank via a blink app. So yeah, inlet valve is open. It's filling up. You can see the volume of the water clearly here. Tab 1. Okay, wait. Water, you can see here, water inflow enabled, water level is full. You can see the messages over there. And tab 2, when we outlet valve is open, is again falling down the water over there, and the volume is again decreasing. Okay, volume is again decreasing. So it stop after one time. Inlet valve is open again. So that's the timing we are setting, and this is the command you can see over there. It's displaying. So inflow is enabled, inflow is outlet. So by this we can know, we can control the blink app via the inlet valve and outlet valve. Here you can control it. Again, inlet valve is off, it's again filling out. So these are the values which on the blink app we can control the sealer tank basically. So there is water level is less than 200, water inflow is enabled. So these are the things. Outlet valve is off, then it's again filling up. Okay, and the values in show. Okay, so these are the ending. This we can connect whole thing blink app to the via CLCD, and all our things we are connecting.